Okay, roses, we have an unboxing here. If you want to see what I got here from Annabelle's Perfect Blend, stay tuned. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And before we get into what I have in this package from Annabelle's Perfect Blend, take a moment. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Okay, so I have a package here, and this has been sitting here for quite a while, probably like a month or so. I did order during Annabelle's Perfect Blend last sale. And if you're not new to my channel, you know how I feel about Annabelle's Perfect Blend. It is a female-owned, black-owned, small business who I have been supporting for years. When I say years, I mean years and years and years. And I have a whole string of videos featuring Annabelle's Perfect Blend products here on my channel. Matter of fact, I have a whole playlist, so get on caught up on all that. You'll see I am not new to Annabelle's Perfect Blend. Let's get into what I have in this package. Okay, so I open this up. It smells good. Smells good. Okay, so first item I have here. Now, if you know me, you know I love my Annabelle's Perfect Blend oils. This one here. Wait, did some come out? Well, a little bit came out. But as you can see here, she tries her hardest to not have anything come out. You can't get past what shipping will do, but she tried very hard. I have a little bit. There's nothing spilling in here, so maybe it's, I don't know. It doesn't look like anything happened, but I have a little bit on my hands. Let's go ahead and get this open. I'm trying to be gentle here because I recently, not even a whole, maybe almost 6 now, about 5 days ago, had a breast biopsy. So I need to be gentle. And it's filled all the way up. I mean, all the way up, as you can see. So whatever came out, I don't know what. Maybe it was just something was on the outside as she taped this up, because I don't see, it don't look like nothing came out of that bottle. And the scent I got here for this particular oil is Jammin Rock Candy. So this is the Annabelle's Perfect Blend Annabelle's hair and body oil. I don't know, this may be the 3rd or 4th one of these I got. I always get a different scent every single time, and she has a long list of scents you can get with this. But this is good for your hair, body, nails. You know, if you want to go ahead and refill your cuticle oil with this. Look how big this bottle is. Okay. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. So that's one down. Okay. The second item I got here is this here. This is the Ayurvedic hair serum. So I have never tried her hair serums as far back as I can think, but I've tried so many Annabelle's Perfect Blend products. There may be somewhere way down in the list. Maybe I have, but not this particular one. Now this particular one I got in the scent Gummy Bears. Think of gummy bears. Look at that. Can you see all those herbs floating all through there? Ooh, now that looks good. Now let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, so while I have the top off, this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna stick my finger in there. So it's to me, it's like a it's an oil, like gel, like liquefied gel consistency. There's some on that finger. As you can see, feels good. Feels like it has all kind of slip in it and goodness. So, yes. And so with the top is the same as this one. Got all of the tape off. Put that back on there. So for this, let's see what this does. So this says directions: apply to damp or dry hair as needed. It says this product can be used as a leave-in conditioner or daily moisturizer. Isn't that something? This has lots of slip in it. I can feel it. This has water, BTMS, let's see here, sweet almond oil, Brahmi, Amla, Tulsi, Neem, Barikrek. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and type it on the screen here. Pathanol, fragrances at the bottom. Oh my gosh. This has a lot of things in it. A lot of good things in it. So, ooh. I wonder if I could put a spray bottle on this. Either way, this is going to be good. So, what I decided to do is get things I can put on my hair and can be put on my son's locks. And when I have locks, yes, that will be coming at some point, I'll be able to use it as well. So, doesn't matter if you're straight natural or lock natural, you'll be able to use her products. Okay, so this here is Sweet and Salty Body Scrub. Is that what I got? Yeah. So not just hair items, there is whole body care items. Okay, she has that very well sealed up. It looks like some of the oil kind of took away from the label as well, but let me go ahead and get this open. Everything I got here is like fruity type scents, and this one, the scent on this is Jammin rock candy, so I think I wanted it to go along with the hair and body oil. Just, you know, it's like it smells delicious. Who don't want to smell delicious? There we go. Okay, yeah, this is a scrub because I can feel some of the granules. I think it was the scrub that was trying to escape, because knowing her, she filled it all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Ooh. If y'all could smell this. So forget about all those other scrubs, you know. I mean, you don't have to forget about them, but, you know, if you want a scrub that's made in small batches and made to order, here you go. This is a Jammin rock candy scent. Oh, and before I get to that, let me tell you what's in this Annabelle's Perfect Blend hair and body oil, just in case you're brand new to my channel and have no idea what her oils have in it. This has sunflower seed oil, rice bran oil, this has avocado oil, castor oil, and fragrance. That's what you're getting. Good stuff. Okay, so this sweet and salty body scrub that I got, this, let's see here, this has shea butter, fruit, sunflower seed oil, sugar, sea salt, fragrance, and I cannot see the rest. It's like two things I cannot see. Okay, so it says gently rub onto damp skin using circular motions. I can't see the rest of the label because it's been kind of wiped off here, but there you go. So nice size right there. So that's 3 items. Let me see that. I think I got one more item. Yes, I did. Oh, is that what started? I think that's what started happening. If you like chapstick, you know, lip gloss, things like that, that is this, and I think it was this that started melting. I did have this in the mailbox for a few days, and it was when our temperature here in Portland, Oregon was in the high 90s and hundreds. So started melting. That's okay. That's okay. This is the Annabelle's lip butter, and I got it in the scent Cotton Candy. The poor sticker came off. Let's just go ahead and put that back on there. I may tape that back on there, but the oil took it off. Okay, and so just so you know, with each of these products here, they're all 8 ounces. So let me know, have you ever tried anything from Annabelle's Perfect Blend? She mostly does big giant sales, so I'll go ahead and leave her link down below. Sign up for her mailing list. You do want to do that. Also, her text list as well. I'm signed up for both, so it doesn't matter. Anytime she has anything, I'm first to know about it, and I'm in there placing my order, as many of us who are Annabelle Perfect Blend fans do. Those are the items I got. Let me know if you want to see any of these being put to use on this hair, you know, hands, body. I am doing hair, and I'm doing nail videos, and whatever else I feel like doing. So, you know, this may be one of the oils I decide to use as a cuticle oil one day. This is clearly what I'll be using on my body, and this will be used in my hair. How's that? So anyway, let me know down below. Make sure, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this with someone. We like to support Black-owned businesses around here, so share this with someone, okay? Give this video a thumbs up. I don't know if I've already said that, but that would be nice. And leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.